Entrepreneurship Crash Course, Market Research and Customer Analysis. Introduction. Welcome to the Entrepreneurship Crash Course, where we delve into the crucial aspects of market research and customer analysis. In this module, we will explore the significance of understanding your target market and customers, and how it plays a vital role in shaping your business strategy. With captivating stories and real-life examples, we will ignite your entrepreneurial spirit and equip you with the knowledge and tools to conduct effective market research and customer analysis. Stories and examples. Coca-Cola's global appeal. Coca-Cola, the iconic beverage company, has a rich history of successful market research and customer analysis. Through extensive research and understanding of cultural differences, Coca-Cola tailors its marketing campaigns to resonate with diverse audiences worldwide. Their ability to adapt to local preferences while maintaining a consistent brand image has contributed to their global success. Netflix's data-driven approach. Netflix, the renowned streaming service, revolutionized the entertainment industry with its data-driven approach to market research. By analyzing customer behavior, viewing patterns, and preferences, Netflix gained insights into content preferences, leading to successful original content production and personalized recommendations. This customer-centric approach helped them become a dominant player in the streaming industry. Airbnb's customer-centric design. Airbnb's success can be attributed to their deep understanding of customer needs. By conducting extensive research on travelers' pain points and desires, Airbnb created a platform that offers unique and personalized accommodation experiences. Their customer-centric design, driven by market research, has disrupted the hospitality industry and redefined the way people travel. Top 12 Market Research and Customer Analysis Techniques. 1. Surveys and questionnaires. Gather quantitative data by designing surveys and questionnaires to collect information directly from your target market. 2. Interviews and focus groups. Conduct in-depth interviews and focus groups to gain qualitative insights, understanding customers' opinions, motivations, and preferences. 3. Observational research. Observe customers in real-life situations to understand their behaviors, interactions, and decision-making processes. 4. Competitive analysis. Analyze your competitors' offerings, pricing strategies, customer satisfaction, and marketing tactics to identify gaps and opportunities. 5. Demographic and psychographic analysis. Segment your target market based on demographic factors such as age, gender, income, and psychographic factors such as interests, values, and lifestyle choices. 6. Social media listening. Monitor social media platforms to gather real-time customer feedback, sentiment analysis, and trending topics relevant to your industry. 7. Online analytics. Utilize web analytics tools to track website traffic, user engagement, and conversion rates, gaining insights into customer behaviors and preferences. 8. Customer journey mapping. Map out the entire customer journey, from initial awareness to post-purchase experience, identifying pain points, touch points, and opportunities for improvement. 9. Persona development. Create customer personas that represent different segments of your target market, including their demographics, motivations, and challenges. 10. A/B testing. Test different variations of marketing campaigns, website designs, or product features to determine which resonates best with your target audience. 11. Market trend analysis. Stay updated on industry trends, technological advancements, and shifts in consumer behavior to anticipate market changes and adapt your strategy accordingly. 12. Customer feedback and reviews. Leverage customer feedback and reviews, both online and offline, to gain valuable insights into customer satisfaction, product improvements, and areas of excellence. Summarization. In this Entrepreneurship Crash Course module, we explored the vital importance of market research and customer analysis in entrepreneurial success. Through captivating stories of renowned companies like Coca-Cola, Netflix, and Airbnb, we witnessed the power of understanding customers and tailoring business strategies accordingly. By employing the top 12 market research and customer analysis techniques, you can gain valuable insights into your target market, identify opportunities, and develop products and services that meet customer needs. Remember, the key to sustainable success lies in understanding your customers and continuously adapting to their evolving preferences. Poem. In the realm of entrepreneurship, knowledge is key, market research and analysis, the gateway to see. Through captivating stories, we'll learn and explore the art of understanding customers forevermore. Coca-Cola's global appeal, a tale well known, understanding cultures, embracing them as their own. Netflix's data-driven approach, precision at its core, personalized recommendations, keeping customers wanting more. Airbnb's customer-centric design, a travel revolution, unique experiences, born from a deep resolution. These stories inspire, ignite the flame, to uncover customer insights and build a thriving name. Surveys and questionnaires, a path to quantification, interviews and focus groups, qualitative exploration. Observing customer behavior, an insight treasure, competitive analysis, learning from others measure. Demographics and psychographics, segments to define, social media listening, trends to intertwine. Web analytics, tracking the online maze, journey mapping, crafting exceptional stays. Personas that guide, understanding diverse needs, A/B testing, innovation that exceeds. Market trends analyzed, a pulse to keep, feedback and reviews, treasures buried deep. With these techniques, we pave our way, understanding customers, day by day. In the entrepreneurial landscape, let's take a stance. With market research and analysis, we enhance. Song. Verse 1. In the world of entrepreneurship, we're on a quest. To understand our customers, we must be the best. Market research and analysis, our guiding star, to build businesses that will take us far. Chorus. Market research and customer analysis, unlocking insights with precision and analysis. From surveys to focus groups and observing behavior, we'll shape our strategies and savor the flavor. Verse 2. Coca-Cola's global reach, a story so grand, adapting to cultures, spreading across the land. Netflix's data-driven approach, a streamer's delight, creating personalized experiences, shining so bright. Chorus. Market research and customer analysis, unlocking insights with precision and analysis. From surveys to focus groups and observing behavior, we'll shape our strategies and savor the flavor. Bridge. Airbnb's customer-centric design, a wanderer's dream, crafting unique experiences, like a seamless stream. With demographics and psychographics, we understand the needs of our customers, hand in hand. Chorus. Market research and customer analysis, unlocking insights with precision and analysis. From surveys to focus groups and observing behavior, we'll shape our strategies and savor the flavor. Outro. ****. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.